Hello, hi to everyone. I hope you guys are concentrating on my lectures. It's very important and it has a lots of benefits. If you can repeat it, you can translate in other languages. When you go to Google and caption, whatever language you speak or you understand, so you can put that language, and which will automatically translate and give you a caption in your language wherever you are in the world. So there are all the languages are available on Google, YouTube. So now we are in the production schedule. So the manpower, how to do the scheduling, because we need a manpower. So let's say in the area the absenteeism is 7% and vacation is 3 weeks or 5%. So 100% plus 7% absenteeism plus 5% like 3 weeks in a year. So it's 112 or 1% or 1.12 is also percent. This is availability factor. When you calculate, let's say for 1 year and in the area where you are working in the mining, let's say in Alberta, Fort McMurray, so there will be definitely what are the absenteeism, like per year how many days the people are absent. So that's usually in the books, so you can check from there. And then the vacation is usually 3 weeks or 2 weeks because it's a paid vacation. It's other than the weekend is not included. So 100% plus 7% absenteeism plus 5% vacation or 6%, so it's 1.12. This is availability factor. So total manpower is equal to number of working shift multiplied by hour per shift and divide by working hour per shift. So this is in the bracket like this, and then you multiply this by this factor. So let's say number of working shift 40 and hours per shift 8. In this case we take 8. 8 is usually commonly used in these countries, everywhere used. It's 40, and 40 hours per week is a full-time employee or laborers or the employees or the officer, everybody is full-time. So 40 is the number of shifts on mining site in oil sand and multiplied by 8 hour per shift divided by 40 hours per week. Whatever you got, you have to multiply this with the availability factor. This one. This is availability factor. In our case is 1.12. So I got the 8.96 means 9 men. 9 employees required for the shift to run. So that's how you can calculate your manpower. And like 40-hour shifts of trucks, we assume that 40 trucks per shift. So this is the 40 trucks per shift. So you need 9 men, 9 or 10 people, employees required. In other lectures, which is required in the design of surface mining, open pit, planning, designing, and development. So it's the machinery selection is shovel, loaders, trucks. We already discussed ancillary equipment and supporting machinery like bulldozer and maintenance machinery. All these. So it's usually when the life of the mine is calculated, and the production cycle, what I have told you, is assumed that this will be the production per day or per week, and on the basis of that we buy the truck, loaders is also, but shovel and truck, at least electric shovel and trucks. and all ancillary equipment and bulldozer. So then we decide that we have to buy or lease these machinery from big companies, John Deere, Comart, or whatever you want to do. In the oil sand is mostly many companies are working there. So this is the also should be are considered to be a capital cost because we are paying for these machinery, but it's also an operating cost when we removing the overburden or the ore, or in the case of oil sand when we are. So I think I have completed all these surface mine, open pit development, open pit planning, designing and development, and even in production. So I will give you a presentation of all my general idea of the all these lecture what I have covered about this. So it will be easy for you people to know how we can do, and then you can go and check one by one my lectures regarding this. Thank you guys and have a nice day. So next time maybe I do some lectures on haulage, road, and open pit, and maybe open cast and underground mining parts maybe in later. I hope you guys doing well and have a nice day.